Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily if you're new here, and I would love it if you guys stick around by subscribing. So, let's see. I don't even know. I was gonna say what day it is. Today's Friday. I have 5 or 6 orders to get through today. I will film as much as I can and probably do individual videos just because it would probably be a really long video if I combined them. And I also like to talk and say like step-by-step things that I do just for reference and help. I know some people appreciate that, and it's just easier instead of just watching a fast clip and music play. So I want to do that for you guys today. And I will be making koozies again. I'm going to be making baby shower koozies and shot glasses. Shot glasses might be a whole nother video. But let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so first thing is first, I'm going to block off extra work. I just like to do everything on one page, but this one was once labeled for something else. So let me just go ahead and block all these for others. That's it. So this is what I'm going to be working on. So this will be on one side and then this will be on the other side. I got gold vinyl for this, and then of course I got like an olive color for the garland part. So I'm hoping this turns out really cute for them, and I'm excited to make this for my friend. Alright, so I'm going to be working with these koozies. I'm going to be making 40 of them. I do get my koozies from Join Us Woodlands. If you didn't know, that is where I basically buy everything. A pack of 25 is 15, so fairly reasonably priced. But yeah, I get everything from Join Us Woodlands. I swear they should start sponsoring me because I talk about them so much. But first thing I do is I'm gonna, of course, open this up. But I want to see the sizing. It's usually 4x4, which I think, so of course I want to make this 4x4, so I'm just going to double check my sizing and then go on from there. Alright guys, so what I just did on that last clip, if you remember from like 2 or 3 clips before, this was a lot more spread out, just because I had typed it out that way, and I went ahead and put them together so it looks more, you know, it just looks better like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do a test cut on this and press on and see if it all works out, and then continue doing that. Friendly reminder, do not forget to hit mirror, especially if you are doing everything iron-on. Alright guys, so I guess another tip, you saw that I had measured and it's like 4 by like 4.5 or whatever. So I did the width exactly 4 inches, and as you can see, it's bigger than what it needs to be. So I guess measure and then take off a couple centimeters. But this is the idea of what it's gonna look like. And then I did this one too, and this one came out a little too big. I guess it would fit, but it's like right on the edge and I don't want anything to like peel. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut a fresh new one. Obviously I didn't weed this out because we're not going to use it. It's just like as an idea, and my mom's actually going to help me weed everything out too, so she knows what needs to be pulled out, but you can definitely see what needs to be pulled and what doesn't. Alright guys, so real quick, let me get some light on myself. So we have company, so I can't, I'm working out in the living room, but they're talking, so I can't be filming out there obviously. But I wanted to say to put your heat press at 300, and I'm only pressing it for about 3 to 4 seconds, and then it's healing smoothly. So I'll try to get a video of that. I just wasn't talking in it, but I think I have the Pro Light I'll have to specify down below if you want to buy it from the website or from the store that I get my stuff from. But yeah, literally set at 300 for 3 to 4 seconds, peels right off, and looks amazing. Guys, I'm the worst. I forgot to close this video out, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Oh, a little thing. For the garland, I had to press it twice at 300. So like I said, I had it set at 4 seconds. So I would press it down once, let it set, bring it back, press it down for like another 2 seconds, and then let it cool off and peel it off. So still left it at 300. But if you guys have any questions at all, please leave them down in the comments down below. If you don't already, follow, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.